superstars, it's me again, the invisible one. And welcome back to Tiny Economists, where we think big about how the world works, even if we're still tiny. Last time, we talked all about money, what it is, what it does, and what makes it work. But here's the big question for today. Once you have money, what should you do with it? Let's talk about spending and saving. Spending means using your money to buy something now. You give your dollars away, and in return, you get a toy, a snack, a ticket to a movie, or maybe a new pair of shoes. Spending is fun, right? But if you spend all your money right away, what happens when you want something later on? Saving means keeping your money for later instead of spending it now. Maybe you put it in a piggy bank or a savings jar or even a bank account if you're a fancy. Saving lets your money grow over time and helps you buy bigger things in the future, like a video game that costs more than 1 week's allowance, or a bike, or even gifts for someone else. And here's a little secret. If you keep your money in a bank, the bank might actually pay you a little extra just for saving. That extra money is called interest. Say it with me. Interest. It's like a tiny reward for being smart and patient. We'll talk more about that in the next episodes. So here's where you get to think like a real economist. Every time you get money, you have to make a choice. Spend it now, or save it for later. And remember our old friend, opportunity cost? That's what you give up when you choose one thing over another. So if you spend $5 on candy today, your opportunity cost might be that you can't buy that mini soccer ball next week. No choice is bad. It just depends on what matters most to you at the time. Then how to make good spending and saving choices? Excellent question, Tiny Economists. I love how you think smart. Here are 4 smart tips. 1. Plan it out before spending. Think, do I need this now, or do I really want something later? 2. Try 50-50. Spend half, save half. That way, you enjoy both now and later. 3. Watch it grow. Keep track of how much you're saving, even $1 at a time. It adds up. 4. Treat yourself sometimes. It's okay to spend on little joys. Just don't eat your whole money cupcake in one bite. Alright, superstars, let's recap. Spending is using your money now for things you want or need. Saving is keeping your money so you can use it later, especially for bigger important stuff. Every choice has a trade-off, and your opportunity cost is what you give up. Good economists like you think ahead and balance spending with saving. Next time, we're doing something special. A fun, quick adventure that brings together everything we've learned so far. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. And hey, if you're learning something cool, then don't forget to give us a like, tap that little bell, and subscribe so you don't miss a single episode of Tiny Economists. See you next time, superstars.